Quick video here. Here's the normal FaceTime, and I will show you here in a minute how to set up and use your Galaxy phone as a webcam. It also works with Pixels and other Android devices that have the ability to use your phone as a webcam over USB. What you're going to want to do is plug in your phone with a USB-C cable. So USB-C cable plugged in there running up to the iPad. And when you do so, there'll be a notification that comes up, USB charging phone. Click on that. It's going to pop up options. I'm going to hit webcam. And as soon as you do that, you'll notice now my phone is being used as the camera. I have a MagSafe adapter here, or MagSafe compatible case, and this little ring here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to carefully bring it around to the back of the iPad. And I'm just going to carefully kind of rest it here. And now you'll notice it works perfect. And when I look at it, as you'll see here, my phone is now my camera. It's much clearer than the built-in. You can change the position, move it around, change the position on it. And so that's how to get a clearer image. It's also how to connect up a Galaxy S26 Ultra or other Samsung phone to your iPad to use it as a webcam. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Comment down below if you do this and what phone you use and any helpful tips or if you would like other content like this, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.